So here's how to make your own buddy strap. All you're going to need for this particular project is a piece of 1-inch Velcro loop. Now this one is padded, but you don't need that. You could go with a simple Velcro loop, it'll be fine. And a piece of Velcro hook. So we want the Velcro hook to be a little bit shorter than the loop part. And we also want to make it, we'll trim it so it fits easily within a phalanx, because that's where it's going to go. So we're going to trim the side here. Okay, that's a good size. And I'm going to do the same for my loop. Now I want to make sure that I keep my hook slightly narrower than my loop. So that looks quite right. Okay, next step. I will fold my loop strap longitudinally. Okay, and then I will find the center of it. I will make a couple of small slits, making sure that I'm not going too close to the edge. And I want to keep a good space between them, but not too much space. So I should have 2 decent sized slits side by side like this. Now I'm going to go back to the hook part. I'll fold it on itself. And I'm going to cut the corners of the side that is folded. Like so. Now I'm going to open this up and fold it again on itself, but this time longitudinally. I just want to hide the hook so I can weave this piece through my loop piece. So I'm going to go through one slit and then the next, through one and then through the other, all the way through like so. And I turn it back around so it's the loop, actually the hook is facing me. So now I have both texture facing me. So I have the hook on top facing me and then the loop as well facing me. And there you have it. This is your buddy strap. And let me demonstrate how this goes on the finger. So let's pretend here I have issues either with my index or middle finger. So I would go and place it between these two. Now I could also adjust the length of the hook band, so there is less wrapping to do. And there you go. Et voila. Homemade buddy strap.